Hey, where is cat? Today we are going to find prepositions with the help of this cat. Where is cat? Cat is on the table, on the table. Where is cat? Cat is under the table. Where is cat? Cat is in the box. Where is cat? Cat is beside the table. Where is cat? Cat is between the box and the table.
Cat, cat, I have a cat.